I'm Jean Risha Mitchell with Martha Turner Sotheby's International Realty. I've been a realtor for a little over 12 years, and I am now running for the HAR Board of Directors for the Northwest Division. I've decided to run for this position because I want to give back to my community. We are in unprecedented times, and it's going to take some unprecedented work to get us all through this in the best way possible. I want to represent you. I want to serve you. I want to be your sounding board. I want to be your answer board, hopefully. I want you to be able to call me or email me with questions, concerns, suggestions, whatever's on your mind. My job is to represent you and your ideas and take those to the board and work with the other members of the board to serve our realtors and our community in the best way possible. I'm a firm believer in education. I have my Texas Realtor Leadership Program designation. I am a GRI, CRS, CRB, MCNE, and several others because I feel education is very important. We represent ourselves in the best possible way. We represent our clients in the best possible way when we're educated. So that's who I am. I would love to represent you on the board. I hope you will consider voting for me. And yes, in the meantime, if you have any questions or concerns, email or call me. I'll be happy to talk to you. Thank you. Again, Jean Risha Mitchell, the Northwest Region for the HAR Board of Directors.